आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
So here we have a question. Find the value of x for which of the following pair are identical. Identical function are two functions are identical when both function have equal domain, when both function have equal range, when the function are equal for all value in the domain, right? And we have to find the value of x. That means we have to find the value of domain here, right? So as we can see, the first function, that is fx, is tan inverse x plus cot inverse x, right? I have made the function of cot inverse x and tan inverse x. As we can see, the value of tan inverse x, that is, will be defined, that is x will be we will get all real value, right? We will get all real value of x here, right? Similarly, as in cot inverse x, we can see the domain of this function will all real values of x. That mean the function here, my value of x, that is domain, will be all real values, right? Now in second we have given gx. Gx is sin inverse x plus cos inverse x, right? Now the function of sin inverse x and cos inverse x, we can see that the domain of the sin inverse x is from -1 to 1, and the domain of cos inverse x is also from -1 to 1. That is the x value here, right? So here my x, that is domain, belongs to -1 to 1, right? Now if I want to find the identical function, right, in both gx and fx, gx and fx are identical when the range is common, right? The common range between r and -1 to 1 is -1 to 1. So this is the common range where the both function are identical, right? Now we have a second question, that is cos inverse x. The range of the cos inverse x, that is, we have given first fx, that is cos into cos inverse x. Now this function will be defined when cos inverse x is defined, and cos inverse x will be defined when x belongs to -1 to 1, right? As we can see the function of cos inverse x, right? So x will be -1 to 1, that is the domain, right? Now in the second, that is our cos inverse cosx function, right? I have made draw the cos inverse cosx function, right? This is the function. As we can see, the x value belongs to all real values. So my gx in this case, cos inverse cosx is defined for x all real value, right? If now I want to find the identical function, so fx and gx are identical when they have a common range, right? When range is common, and the common range between them is -1 to 1, right? So this is the common range we have found in our second question, This is for my second question, and this one is for my first question. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।